If you've ever struggled to line up text boxes, shapes, images, or icons neatly in LibreOffice Impress, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to align objects in LibreOffice Impress so your slides look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. And if this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you already have a presentation you want to work on, open that file. If not, on the left side under Create, click Impress Presentation to start a new slideshow. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide that contains the objects you want to align. This can be anything on the slide, like text boxes, images, shapes, charts, or other elements. Now here's the important part. To align multiple objects together, you need to select more than one at the same time. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click each object you want to include. You'll know they're selected when you see the selection handles around them. This step matters because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which objects you want to align. Once your objects are selected, look up at the top menu bar and click Format. From the drop-down menu, move your mouse over a line. This opens a set of alignment options that control how your selected objects are positioned on the slide. This is the main tool you'll use whenever you want your layout to look neat and balanced. Now choose the alignment option that fits what you need. For example, if you want everything lined up along the left edge, click Left. If you want the objects centered evenly, choose Center. If you need them aligned along the top edge, click Top. You may also see other options depending on your layout, such as right, middle, or bottom alignment. The selected objects will immediately shift into place based on the option you choose. This is especially useful when you're designing slides with multiple elements and you want everything to look intentional instead of randomly placed. A properly aligned slide feels more polished, easier to follow, and more visually professional. Whether you're making a business presentation, a school project, or a training deck, alignment can make a huge difference in how your slide is perceived. If the objects don't align the way you expected, just click away, reselect the items with Shift, and try a different alignment option. Sometimes the best choice depends on the design of your slide and the position you want to create. You can repeat this process as many times as needed until the layout looks right. Another helpful tip is to zoom in on your slide if you want to check alignment more carefully. That can make it easier to see how the objects are spaced and whether they line up cleanly. And if you're working with several items, take your time selecting only the elements you want to move together so you don't accidentally shift something else. So to recap, open LibreOffice Impress, select your objects while holding Shift, go to Format, choose Align, and then pick the alignment option you want, like left, center, or top. That's all it takes to align objects in LibreOffice Impress in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.